Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a review and install of WeatherTech FloorLiners for the 2021 Atlas Crossboard. So stick around. So I've been using WeatherTech FloorLiners for about the past 10 years now on several vehicles, and I've always been really happy with them. But this time it took WeatherTech quite a while to get the liners out for the 2021 Atlas Crossboard. So when they did, I ran out and got a set because I was not happy with the all-weather mats that I had purchased with the vehicle. So let's take a look at the difference between the all-weather mats from Volkswagen and WeatherTech's FloorLiners. They're quite substantial. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of size difference between the WeatherTech on top and the all-weather liners from Volkswagen. I think the big difference, if you look, is that the liners go up the side and they go much further up in the wheel well, or up in the footwell, than the old ones do. And then if you look at the back, the WeatherTech on the top here, that covers the hump in the back and also goes up the sides in the footwells as well. Quite a bit more protection for the floor, for the carpeting, and it's just a superior product. They are laser measured, and their fitment typically is always really good. So let's install these and see how good they are this time. All right, let's start with the back. They simply just slide in. And as you can see, they fit perfectly from back to front. You have full coverage from side to side and over the hump as well. Excellent fitment. They should be just perfect. Okay, front passenger side. Again, just slides in. And you can see this goes all the way up into the footwell. So it really covers a lot of the floor area. And you get high coverage up on the sides as well, both sides. There is a small area back here that doesn't quite get covered. I wish maybe they would have extended the mat back there. Shouldn't be much of an issue, only with the seat all the way back, but we'll see how it is. Let's go to the driver's side. All right, I just wanted to give you a quick view of what the old mat covers. And if you look, it doesn't go up here at all. It barely covers underneath the pedals and extends to both sides, but there's an area right here that's missing. So there's quite a bit of carpet exposed. So I'm going to cut to the WeatherTech and we'll see what the difference is. And there's the WeatherTech. As you can see, covers all the way from the sill and goes up the side here, goes halfway up this footrest and well beyond the pedals in the footwell. Again, the only issue I see is back here where they could have come back underneath the seat just a little bit. But other than that, they fit perfectly. They snap right into Volkswagen's factory snaps, and they fit perfectly. FloorLiners by WeatherTech. I'll leave a link to their website in the description below. If you ever get a chance to stop at their factory store in Bolingbrook, Illinois, do so. It's well worth the trip. That's where I got mine. I'm going to give the FloorLiners a 5 out of 5. Thanks for watching. Take care. I'll see you around.